So when they tell you that Mercedes makes car easy for their technicians to fix, well, I can't completely say it's in all situations. Like if you know the position of where the starter motor is, it is quite a very pretty difficult place. But however, here prove that Mercedes actually make things easy for mechanic to fix their car. Here is the first one. In order to discover if your fuel pump is still in a very good condition in pumping, you don't need to tear it down. You don't even need to go and test the power. You need to use the same manifold gauge set you use in diagnosing your car AC, and just unplug one of the head, the same one you plug into your house unit. Remove this very quick connect coupler here and plug it right in, and it's gonna give you straight ahead. Now let's go to the second one. This one here, I am just pulling off this socket from this front SAM here, and there is something much more interesting about it. Look at it. They painted it according to the color so that you don't do any mistake. You can see it. You can see here, this is blue, this is green, this is white, and that is brown. So thank you, Mercedes. However, somebody forgot to tell you that this car, you're literally sitting and driving a computer. Every side of the car is computer. We're talking about the door, the underneath the seat, your footrest, the passenger footrest, like literally the whole place, the door panels. Come on, guys.